Welcome to Computer Literacy Online. This time we're going to learn about icons. But first, let's review the cursor, which is going to help us to learn about icons. Your cursor will appear in different forms on screen. The regular mode is an arrow, like this, and this is to select. The other most common cursor is the hand, and this is when you're clicking on hyperlinks or when you're just hovering over them. The third one is the double arrow. This is to expand or minimize windows. And lastly, the cross. This is to move items from place to place or to move windows. Okay, icons. There are a number of icons in your computer, and they can be used for linking to a folder, an application, a document, or just to be a shortcut. Let's go ahead and find some examples. Okay, as you can see from the desktop, these three connect you to the internet. We have Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. These three icons connect you to the internet from different web browsers. And you use the cursor to select them by clicking on the left side of the mouse and not letting go. And then you highlight them. There you go. Now we're going to put them back. So these three are shortcuts or icons for web browsers. This icon, on the other hand, is for an application. This is Real Player. It's a media player. Something similar to Windows Media. The same goes for QuickTime Player. So with your cursor, you can select them and move them around and place them from wherever you want to. Okay, now moving on to a different kind of icon. These two are folders. This is a more common folder. It's My Documents. Every computer has it. This is something I created. So if we right click on the desktop, you could get a new folder in no time. And with your cursor and the keyboard, you can type a new name. So just as easily, you can change the name of every icon. Okay, let's go ahead and put them back. And I think I have one more type of icon to show you. Computer and recycle bin. Computer is a shortcut to the main part of your computer. I would not recommend changing anything from there, but it's always good to have it as a link or a shortcut on the desktop. Recycling bin is where your deleted items go. So it's always good to have them, or to have these two icons on the desktop. And I think this is it. Thanks for listening.